Oh, we got a walkout. Let's go. Come on, be an info, be an info, be an info. It's an info. It's a walkout. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's info. Let's fucking go, boys. Even fucking Hemmerman in the pack. Oh my god. That is unbelievable. No fucking way that just happened. No fucking way. Oh my god, look at this card. 91 rated. 73 pace, 92 shooting, 84 pass, 90 physical and 88 dribbling. Are you actually kidding me? Oh my god. When I saw it as a walkout, I called for the inform. Even then I didn't believe it would be one of these two. Fucking hell, what a moment.
This guy looks homeless though, but fuck me! What? I got Messi! I'm not even a FIFA guy! I got Messi! What the fuck? Oh my god, okay, yeah, I didn't even realise, yo. I didn't even fucking realise. Yo, just because you guys might think I'm bullshitting, yeah, I'm sorry. Is that bullshit to you? Is that fucking bullshit? Oh, this is bullshit, this has to be. Boy, what's going on, bro? What's going on? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's the real thing. That's the real fucking thing. That is the real thing! Oh, yo, we're done. I'm ending it there, guys. I'm ending it there. Oh, shit!
Ali Turner 9. Chat, give me some punk champ. Oh, Ali Turner! Ronaldo. Oh! No! No! Legend!
I just wanna see the light.
This is better than Ronaldo! This is better than Ronaldo! Holy shit! Oh my god! Mom! Mom, this is for you! Bro! Bro, me and my mom used to watch him play back in the days with Mexico, and she would. No! Oh my fucking god, bro! I used to watch him with my mom. I grew out my hair. I used to wear a headband just like him. This was my childhood hero, and we've just fucking packed him. Fuck yes! I thought it was Italian. I'm not even gonna lie. I swear. I thought he was Italian. I even said Italian. And then I saw the Mexico flag. Unfucking believable, chat. Oh my god. Let's fucking go!
Oh, it's a walkout? It's a walkout. Don't be David Silva or Biscuits. Please. Anyone but them. Right, who's it going to be? Come on. You got to be kidding me! No, wait! I've actually gone and packed Ronaldo! No, I cannot believe this! Nah. Nah, I've actually just packed Ronaldo. Yes! I've always dreamt about packing Ronaldo, like FIFA 13, 14, 15, 16. Never got to do it. And finally I've done it. Oh my word. Wait, let's just check what else is in that pack. If I just skip that. Who else do we get? Maybe someone else needs to... no, but we're not going to complain. Look at that 94 Ronaldo. I still can't believe it. First owner, Ronaldo. I got him.
Oh my goodness, that looks like a good pack. Please be good. Please be good. Come on, be serious here. Who's this? Right wing. Who's this? Is that George Best? Oh my day! A 90 rated legend! That's more what I'm talking about. There was also like two other big players in that. Oh my good heavens, what a pack that is.
That is the whitest reaction to a pack even I've ever done. What on earth is that? How do I get the best 2 players I've had yet in the same pack? How does that continually happen to me? That's thumbnail material right there.
I'm okay! I'm okay! Holy shit! I just tried a green screen jump, and I completely rolled my ankle. That fucking hurt. Oh my god! I just packed fucking Messi! I just packed... Wait! Okay. I don't care!
This is it. This is the one. This has got to be the one. This has got to be the one. Okay. Here we go. Yes! This is the one! This is the one! Come on, baby! Come on, big player! Big player! That better be the one this time! That better be the one!
Make the ground shake.
Silva and Marcelo. We finally packed Neymar. Oh my god. I got a big boo-boo on my knee. Just banged the crap out of it. Oh, I need to not sit so close under my chair. Holy crap. Freaking Neymar. What a beautiful card. I already own him because I've purchased him, but now I'm gonna have a first owner. Oh, what a beautiful man. He is very good looking. Oh my gosh, compare price. Oh, he's worth like 400K. Yes! That is just beautiful. What a freaking card.
Oh, legend! I just got a fucking legend! Oh, no way! Who is it? No, not Weyer. No, please. No, oh, is that Weyer? I just got fucking Weyer! No way! Oh my god! No way! Oh, shit! Oh, there's a fucking advert going on. Oh my god, no way! I just got a fucking legend! Oh, you're joking. That is straight madness. Your boy just got a legend! Rah! Nah, man. I haven't got anyone good in like fucking 50k FIFA, not 50k, like 30, 40k FIFA points. And your boy just got a legend. This is madness. Straight madness.
Oh! Oh shit! Fuck up! Leg! Let's go! Nice! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my! The Maggie! The Let's go! Let's go! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! Woo! Woo! What's up, chat? What's up, chat? Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm done. I'm fucking done. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't fucking know. I don't know. I don't know. Bro, he's so fucking beautiful. Where's my fucking jersey? Where's my fucking jersey? I don't care. I don't care. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go! Rah! Yes. Oh my fucking Let's go! Bumper number 2! Pogba number 2. Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go. Let's go. And we end it with the fucking bang. Let's go. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. You see that shit, chat? Bam, son. 2 fucking Pogbas, 1 fucking Hazard. Yes! Yes! It's the fucking pizza shirt. It's the fucking pizza shirt. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's fucking go. As if 1 wasn't enough. Woo! I just woke Peter up, baby. Oh my god, dude.